Good morning, just out for a bit of a walk and thought I'd do this on excuses. So love any feedback on excuses you notice in the comments, because if we talk about success, the opposite to success is excuse making. So if we go and interview people that are in prison, they'll say, oh, I had to kill him because of, and there's some excuse, or the government doesn't look after us, so I had to steal this. And so all these excuses are energetic blocks, or I can't, which are the opposite of taking responsibility. So when we take responsibility, that is, it might be an excuse, well, I can't, or let's use an example of, a better example is of time to illustrate the difference between really being responsible for success and making excuses which are blocks, or I can't energetically. So one is time. I've used to sometimes notice myself saying, oh, I don't have time for that, which is an excuse, and it's an energetic block of I can't, as opposed to, well, that sounds very, well, let's explain exactly what I mean. So if you say, I haven't allocated time for that, then that's a responsibility to actually understanding that everybody has 24 hours in the day. So it's about allocation, as opposed to if we're making an excuse, I don't have time for that, then that means that you are actually creating these excuses which energetically block our capabilities. Well, let's use a really powerful example of, I have dyslexia, which is part of my, I don't always put things together. And if I say that excuse a few times, I don't actually use that excuse, I don't actually do some of the reports and things that I need to do. So point being is, if I say I have dyslexia, but I work on that then you're turning an I can't into a I can. So I'll be intrigued to what excuses you notice doing, because that's the opposite of taking responsibility. And we change our weaknesses and change, if we add a I can't excuse on the end of an I can't excuse into a strategy towards it. Because at the end of the day, science has proven that energetically we're all molecules at a quantum mechanical level are linked together, and so that we're energetic beings that are in physical form or physical body. And so all these blocks of I can'ts that are excuses, they have an impact on our success and reduce our effectiveness. And even energetically, all these things create our health, because, for example, it's curing cancer. There's a leading doctor, or it's known in a number of areas, that to cure cancer, you release your energetic blocks and, well, specifically forgive and let go emotionally. So that's an example of how energy leads our health and leads our success. Our thoughts are energy, and emotions are energy. So that's excuses, energetic blocks, I can't. And I'll be intrigued to see what I can'ts you use. And we'll finish with a really, really powerful one. No, I won't use that one. That's a little bit personal. Intrigued, what energetic blocks do you create by making excuses, which covers up your ability to look at solutions? If you say, I can't, and making excuses, oh, it's tough out there in the economy at the moment, or if it is tough out there in the economy at the moment, you can change that as, it's tough out there in the economy at the moment, but I'm looking at this, and it just changes an I can't into looking for solutions. So what solutions, what excuses can you convert into solutions? Love any thoughts on this in your comments. And I hope you have an amazing day. There's a bit of rain occurring here, but hope you have a wonderful day.